we got greeted by these guys with spears. It was very intimidating. They were lovely people. I'm not going to lie to you. We had a lovely time there. We did some crazy things. Everything was done barefoot, running around the mountains in pure barefoot. Like we had a pole. So this is where the BBC, like I think they met. Like I don't think they were supposed to do this, but it was all right in the end. But one of the challenges was to climb. Oh, how many feet? 6, 12. I'm just going by my height. 12, about 30-foot pole.
Okay.
And the challenge was to climb it with nothing.
Right.
So like one of our lads climbed it with his hands, nearly slips off this pole, like 20, like he would have killed himself. And then we all go and do it after him as well. It was just weird what you do, knowing like I wouldn't do that now. You'd joke. Like just crazy stuff we had to do. The
and this was like part of the. This is part of the series.
Yeah. This was on there. You see it on the actual episode as well. But what was it? What was for me was I then got we got given a mini competition before the final competition, and I genuinely didn't want to fight in this competition because I was so on to doing well. And in the end, I got peer pressured into this fight against one of these locals. And we were kicking each other. And then I smashed my heel open on his shin, I think it was. There's a
That's what it looks like in the footage,
on the picture, yeah. And I did this excruciating pain, and that was it. And I just knew that I was devastated. That one was devastated. And then it like for me, then I was away and I had this time to myself where I wasn't involved in any of the competition. And because I was going to win it was going to be the first one that I was going to win. And I was devastated. And like, I just had a moment while I was there, this like moment of, I don't know why, like, I don't even why, like, because I lost my dad when I was 18. And I just wanted him to be proud of everything that I was doing. And at that point, I felt like I'd sort of let everyone down because I was due to win it and the accident happened. So that was I think that was probably the lowest point of the whole.
Was that everyone you thought you let down, or was it like your father?
Oh, no, it was just my dad, really, and myself. Yeah, it was my dad. At that time, I look back now and I have a different like view. But I think because I've got older now and I've dealt with losing my dad only recently, like even now at my age, at 43, it's only now that I've finally got over all of that trauma that I've had to deal with.